オリちゃんが配信中に寝ちゃってます。What? What? Is she really sleeping? Reina, you're still watching? You need to do something about your genmate. She's sleeping. Wake up. How the fuck do you fall asleep on stream? How do you fall asleep? Is she really sleeping or did she just leave her desk for a moment? Eh? Only passed out? Why? How do you fall asleep? Now isn't that like kind of impossible? Isn't that how does that happen? Well, I don't understand. Eh? Like even Callie doesn't do that even though she's so tired. How do you you would I mean wouldn't you actually have to be actively trying to fall asleep? Eh? I mean, if you get to the point that you're about to fall asleep, wouldn't you like stop the stream and go to actual sleep? どうしたのマジで？寝てるね。She yawning a lot from free prem start of the stream. Oh, it's been 82 minutes, huh? Callie fell asleep, but for how long? Was she really asleep? You know, maybe she was just closing her eyes for a little bit. How long is Ollie like this? How long has she been like this? How long has she been like 20 minutes? What the fuck? I want to go to the archive and then watch the moment, like the moments before she fell asleep. Wake her up. And what can I do? Like there's nothing I can do. すまぬ。私には何もできない。何もできないです。ね、スーパーチャット読まないといけないんで。